Hey y'all, this is something, let's try not to cut my fingers off. It's not an unboxing because there's no box. But what it is, the Omnifixo. Omnifixo. How cool is that? You don't know what an Omnifixo is? Well, when you're a shaker like me, shaker McShaker pants, you need something to hold your stuff down when you're soldering. We're not in England, it's not soldering, it's soldering. If you're in the UK, if you're in one of those places that the UK enfranchised or disenfranchised with their pirating and privateering back in the day, you might want to call it soldering, but that's not where we are. We are in America. And this is how it comes. I've never seen this, so I think people will like to see this. Omnifixo, so this is your workspace. And so inside here somewhere, let's see how we get in here. Pops out, magnets. There's your fixers, your fixamigators. And the thing I like a lot about these, oh, that is so cool, man. The thing that actually holds these to your work table is what holds it in place. And then not only can you really, okay, so with the plastic on here, it keeps it from being metal on metal. But if you pull them off, or at least, one on the top or the bottom, what I really like about it too is you can wire power to this. And then when you put a flight controller, you put something like a GPS, something you want to test out, you can very precisely put your power and ground on there so you can actually keep it still, power it up. But look how cool this is. It's got the corners that hold in the magnets that hold the little fixos for the Omnifixo are the same things that hold this in here like that. That's pretty cool. So, you can tell those are some strong magnets too. And because it's got the CNC balls or ball bearings or whatever that is on the bottom, you can move them around. I want to see if it holds just as hard in here. And when these aren't underneath it. Okay, so it doesn't like hold it down really tough, but it does stay, right? So it stays down here. So that is cool. And then, where's my other one? Where'd my other one go? Why am I missing one? Oh, it's under here. So you know what? I think I might 3D print another one of these little holders for the magnets and then just put some under here because I'm not planning on carrying this with me very much. And that way I can put those underneath there with magnets built into them and it'll hold them down. It'll hold the top down a whole lot better. How is this getting stuck? How does it just go in like that, but I can't pull it out? That's weird. There's something I'm missing. Oh, it's got a little lip there. So I think if you push down, it's holding on that lip. That's neat. Okay, so a lot of neat little things on here. It also has millimeters on this side and inches on that side because no one can figure out which one we use. And before I lose them, I need to find those little plastic. Well, there it is. Oh, you're gonna make me edit this because you keep going from side to vertical. My director of photography there, the camera woman, is making for fun editing after this. Oh well. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.
That's all, folks.